I made $9,000 from $100 in just 37 days, but my dream is to make $100,000 in 75 days. This is day 38, and in this video, I'll use my 1-minute binary option strategy to take one step forward towards my goal. Let's go. Right now, I'm watching Euro US dollar chart. This is an uptrend market, and I'm expecting that in future, we will have a retracement phase because retracement phase is required in this case. If we zoom out, the overall trend is clearly downtrend, and after some time you can expect another run in the downward direction. To get reversal trade here, we can draw some important levels. So the first level is this support level, which is now okay, it's been broken, so we will not use it. So we are going to switch to this swing high. This is a strong resistance zone which can be used to take a reversal trade. Here you can see that price already broke this previous support level which was working as a resistance. So it's of no use now. We have to wait until the price hit this resistance level to get a reversal situation. You can also use this level, but as you can see, these two levels are quite near. So to avoid any confusion, I'll stick with this extreme resistance, as after this resistance, we don't have any clear resistance until this particular level. So I'm expecting if the price wants to reverse, it will reverse from this particular zone. And as the price is going up, this is a clear uptrend situation, and I'm expecting that price after hitting this resistance zone will reverse because this is a selling zone, and on overall trend this is a downtrend market, and this is the retracement, so the price will continue its downtrend in the future. So I'm going to trade accordingly. Right now, if I get any opportunity to place trade in the upside direction, I will do that, but I will use the recently formed support level. Like in this case, if the price goes down and hit this particular support zone, I'm going to place a reversal trade in the upside direction if I get any opportunity. But right now the price is quite high, so we have to wait for clear confirmation. I'll wait for the price to get weaker, and once the price gets weaker, I'll wait for the price to give me strong reversal confirmation in the form of bearish pattern. Once we have that, we can then go for trades in the downward direction. Until then, we will only trade in the upside direction if we get any kind of opportunity. I'm not going to place any reversal trade here until I see the weakness and strong bearish confirmation that is suggesting that price now will go down because sellers are taking control. So right now we don't have any situation, so we are not trading. Let's wait for that perfect opportunity, and once I have that, I will take the trade and will explain you the setup in detail. So let's wait. We placed our first trade in the upside direction after getting clear candlestick confirmation. So let me explain you why I took this trade. So previously I told you that I wanted to place my trade in the upside direction because the trend right now on smaller scale is uptrend, but if we talk about major trend, this is a downtrend situation. Here the price reversed completely, but after hitting this support zone, this is a swing low, price formed a reversal pattern. If you look carefully and focus on these candle, you will see the weakness in selling. Price started pushing in the downward direction, and on this particular time, it was able to push up to this level. The sellers tried again, failed to reach the previous low, tried again, failed to break the previous low. You can see they failed to break the previous low. Buyers took control, and the rejection came from the very level, which means that selling pressure here was dead, and we only need buyer's entry. After that, this was the candle that shows buying pressure, some fighting between the buyer and seller, and ultimately buyers took over and they closed above this resistance level. You can see this is the recent resistance. This candle broke the level completely, meaning the price now will go up, and that's why I took that trade in the upside direction and we booked profit. Now I think we will have a trade opportunity here. We can go for a reversal trade if the price hit that zone and gave any reversal signs. Because right now the price can go in either direction. It can reverse or it can hit that level, but I'm expecting reversal from this particular zone. So I will wait for the price to hit that zone. Once the price reach here, I'll wait for confirmation, will place the trade and will explain you in detail. I think we have a trade opportunity here. Price didn't reach the resistance zone and now it is forming this reversal pattern. If the candle closing of this candle is below this support level, I'll go for a trade in the downward direction. Okay, the price closes over, which means this is not a strong confirmation. So we will wait until we got clear candlestick confirmation. This is not a strong confirmation. The price is showing weakness and I can see that price is failing to reach this particular resistance. But the selling pressure is not high and it is not showing strength. And that's why we didn't place a trade. Let's wait for this candle. If this candle closing is below this support level, we will go for a trade in the downward direction, because after breaking this level, the price will fall up to that level. It can get rejection from this level, but it will fall up to that particular zone. So let's wait for this candle. The candle will close in the next. Okay, it got rejection. Let's see where the candle will close. I want the closing to be below. And as you can see, the candle closing is above, and now I need breakout here, then only we can go for a trade. But if you look carefully, even if we get a breakout like this is very near and this zone is also near, which means that now even if we get a breakout, there is no point in taking a breakout trade here, because the reversal points are very near, and in that case I'll not go for any kind of any kind of a breakout trade in the downward direction. I'll wait for another price structure, a different price structure where I can have good trading opportunities, and right now we don't have that, so we have to wait. We have another trade opportunity here similar to the previous one. We are going for a trade in the upside direction, and we placed our trade in the upside direction. This is the similar trade that we took here. Here also the price shows weakness, and this particular candle broke the recent resistance and it closes above as a strong candle, suggesting that price will go up. So I placed my trade, and this is the exact trade that we took here. The price here also broke the recent resistance, closes above. After that the price goes up. Similar trade is this, and let's see, last 21 seconds are remaining, and I'm sure that we are going to book profit. The price will go up, and now we will target the next reversal level, which is here. Previously I was targeting, let me remove this, I was targeting this particular zone for reversal, but the price reversed without hitting that zone, and here we didn't get any confirmation or reversal pattern because the wick rejections are quite big, so we didn't place any trade in the downward direction. But here we got reversal pattern, so we place the trade. Now I'm expecting reversal again in the downward direction from this resistance, so let's wait for the price to hit that zone. Once the price reach that zone, we will look for weakness, we'll look for a reversal candlestick pattern. Once we have that, we will place a reversal trade. Right now I'll not go for any trade in either direction because price can go in anyways, but I'm expecting if the price goes up and hit that zone, we will have a reversal trading opportunity. So let's wait for that. Price is near to this resistance zone. I'm expecting a reversal from this zone. I just have to wait patiently for weakness in the price. I can see rejection, which is a good thing because we need selling rejection from this zone. This is according to me a selling zone, and we are expecting reversal. Let's wait for the price to go up, hit that zone, and if we get confirmations of selling pressure, we will go for a sell trade here. So let's wait for that. Price formed a reversal pattern here, but I'm not placing my trade for the downward direction. Why? Because the candle closing is just at the support level. We need clear breakouts. If this candle closes below this recent support level, we will go for a sell trade. Otherwise, we will not do anything. So I will mark this particular level. We need a clear breakout candle. If this candle goes down and broke below, we will go for a trade in the downward direction. So let's wait for that. Last 12 seconds are remaining, and I'm thinking that maybe the candle will close below. Let's see what will happen. And last 2 seconds are remaining. Yes, the candle closing is below, and that's why we place this trade in the downward direction. This is the similar trade that we took here and here. This is the exact same setup. The only thing, the difference is, previously we were going against the minor trend, and now we are going with the trend. So this is more powerful because now we are following the trend as well. And the setup is the exact copy. This candle here, you can see price shows weakness. After that, price broke the recently formed support level. Let me clear everything so that you guys can see. The candle closes below the recent support level, giving us a confirmation that selling pressure is high and you can go for a sell trade. All these 3 trades went in profit, are based on similar concept, exact similar concept, our reversal trading strategy. Now that is it. Final breakdown for today. We took 3 trades, made around $1,300, I guess. Final balance $10,513. That is it for today. We'll see you tomorrow.